Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. Come along this week as we slide off to Keller, Texas, where we meet a family who wants to really take care of their canine kids with a safe place to play and be able to see everything that's going on in their neighborhood. And all of that will come up next, right here on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Hey guys, we are super excited to announce our new ebook, Affordable Backyard Construction Backyard Secrets. It's all the stuff most contractors wouldn't want you to know, and it's available free if you go to affordablebackyardconstruction.com. If you wait till the end of this message, or if you look down in the description, you'll find a link. Thanks a lot and hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's start by defining what this is. This is a 4-foot tall steel fence that is, we call it flat top, flat bottom because the rails are flat on top and on bottom. You've seen some where the pickets extend above that rail and they've got spikes or something decorative. That's called an extended picket fence, if I could only talk. This is a flat top, flat bottom, 4-foot fence with puppy bars. This steel fence is powder coated from the factory, and most good products like this will give you a 10-year finish warranty. Those posts are 2x2. They're on an 8-foot center, basically 2 foot deep in the ground with maximizer concrete, and they've got decorative caps on top. The top and bottom rails are 1x1s. The pickets are 5/8 inch, and they're about 4 inches apart, a little less than that. And so when you do the puppy bars, you bust that in half, so it's about 2 inches apart. So nothing but snakes are going to get through, I guess. It's pretty plain to see here that the yard is sloping down to the right-hand lower corner. And because you can't bend these fences, you have to step them. So you can see they're stepped 6 or 8 inches per time, which creates a problem with your animals getting out through the bottom of the fence, which is why we weld these special bars in, cutting that distance down where things can't sneak out. Okay, so if you'll look off to the right, you'll see that big shop with that big door. So they've got to get trucks and equipment into this backyard. Here's how we handled that. This family opted for a pair of 5-foot wide gates, which give you an opening of plus or minus 10 foot. The problem with most gates is they're not built sturdy enough to handle the leverage of the gates swinging back and forth. And so over a period of time, the poles bend in and they drag on the ground. In this case, we did a pair of 3x3 inch posts sunk 4 foot deep in the ground, so they're not going anywhere. And you can't see it because of the black powder coating, but we used a heavier duty hinge. And then you've got 2 drop rods that hold those gates in place. Well, you know what that music means. It's time for me to shut the heck up and let you guys finish walking this job. We thank you for coming along, and we can't wait to see you next week on another adventure with Affordable Backyard Construction University. Pick a topic, click on it, and get started.